I just got here in Criaatva, so you good? All right, we just got here in Criaatva because I'm about to show you guys this amazing company where the dreams come true. Are you ready? Let's go. Can you hear the noise? Definitely, we here in the Carpentry where the woods come in and come out as a project. Let's go. Okay, and now we're here in the CNC area where everything gets cut in a surgical precision, perfectly. This area here is part of the lab, robotic carving with total precision. And I want to show you something which is, I think, is something that I really love and I will love to have in my place, actually. We're here with the 3D printer. Have you ever seen a 3D printer before? This is the 3D printed. Okay, I don't even know if I can touch this, but this is the 3D printer. Just did displaying on fire. And this is the laser machine. Okay, take a look. Precision, that's the name of this machine. Okay, welcome to the metal shop. This is where steel turns into structure, containers, parade floats, complex curves. Bring it on. This is the paint and finishing. Automotive paint, special textures, and premium finishes, where the projects get their look. Welcome to the stock. This is the place like a shop, you know, can get here, go here, talk with the ladies, like, I need this, I need that, I need a needle, I need something, I need a glue. You can find here, everything here. It's definitely like a shop. Look at that, it's like they have their own Home Depot. You can find anything, all the screws, all the needles, all the nails, everything in steel. Look at this is amazing. This is the best you can find here in the Criaatva. They have their own Home Depot. Look this, all the type of woods, all the sizes and everything. This is the place where your dream become true. Look at this. You can find anything here. It's amazing. And this is the COOPERAATVA. Events over, no problem, nothing get waste. Come here to the COOPERAATVA to become another project. That's amazing. Upcycling, that's the word. You know, nothing wasted. Events over, we take all the woods, all the plastic, everything comes here. We just cut, clean, and goes to another work. Amazing. It's like magic. That's what all the companies should do, you know? Nothing get wasted. No trash, nothing. Now I'm here in the middle of the COOPERAATVA. Take a look. Everything is like everything. Events over, comes here, starts our new project. Amazing. Good job, you guys. I will take you guys to the office now. It's a brand new office. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. Just at the door of the office, you can check this event, massive here. They happen in the Copacabana Beach, and the people who attending there was 2 million people. In Criaatva, of course, was there. Here with this stage here, and here in the VIP. Oh my God, I was there. It was amazing. Let's go. Recognize this person here? This Katy Perry, this massive butterfly, Criaatva. You know this guy? Travis Scott. This big, massive rock, Criaatva. Amazing, right? And here in this amazing wall, you can find all the Criaatva team. Actually, there's more people to come, but this team here, every single person here makes everything happen. I love this team. Oh my God, you guys are here too. Welcome to the meeting room of Criaatva. This is the place where you can see, drink your coffee, talk about the concepts, talk about the money, okay? And this is one of the parts of the clients who works with Criaatva. Take a look how many clients. We have a lot of clients. And this is our amazing red t-shirt. You like it? I love it. Hold on. Katy Perry signed it. The best. What about this helmet here? Oh my God, why do you have a helmet? This is the Top Gun helmet, Maverick, the movie, right? Criaatva was there too. Okay, now we're done with the meeting room. The people are gonna start a meeting right now, so let's get out of here. And now I wanna show you guys to the production room. This is where the team thinks about your project, the concept and everything. You know what I mean? It's about art. It's about a big thinking ahead. It's all production. Okay, I'm here. Take a look. The people working here, look at this. This is most of the works that we did, you know, so we got some props and stuff and we keep you here as, you know, to remember the work that we did. We have this here. Oh my God, what is this? It's just a number one. No, it's not just a number one. This is the number of the countdown to start the concert of Lady Gaga in Copacabana Beach, okay? I think I'm gonna have this for me. My sister gonna love it. She's a big fan. Okay, bye. Architecture, let's go. Knock, knock, because there's people working over here. Take a look. All right, this is the place where everything starts, okay? We are totally engaged and connected to the whole company. So, of course, let me show you something. This door here, you know this door here? Takes you to the production. So we keep talking about your projects. Actually, let me show you something. This is the design of the butterfly of Katy Perry, okay? Was designed here in this room. Amazing, big, massive butterfly. I never saw a big butterfly like this. This is amazing. Okay, we're getting right now to the sales room, which is to talk about money, your budget, and everything that we can do with your project. But it's not only about money, okay? This is Criaatva, so it's about creativity too. So we can find Play-Doh over here. And also, this is the prototype of the tree of the car of Mangueira, the samba school, okay? There was the prototype of a tree, amazing tree, okay? It's all about creativity. You are in Criaatva. Okay, and now I want to show you guys, which is something really amazing, okay? You know this t-shirt here, you know, the jersey, this is the Brazilian football jersey and got signed by Vinicius Jr., okay? The best of the world. And Criaatva was there to do the statue of wax of Vinicius Jr. from Madame Tussauds. We were there too. This is amazing. Okay, now I just got on the best part here, this cafeteria. Amazing, they're gonna drink my coffee, okay? Criaatva, let's do something big together.
Criaatva.com